Soil plays a crucial role in plant health and growth. It refers to the measure of how acidic or alkaline the soil is, and is measured on a scale from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Here's a breakdown of how soil affects plant health and what you need to know. Impact of soil upon plant health. 1. Nutrient availability. Soil pH directly affects the availability of essential nutrients to plants. Some nutrients become more or less available depending on the pH level. For example, acidic soils, pH below 7, often have increased availability of nutrients like iron, manganese, and aluminum, but reduced availability of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Alkaline soils, pH above 7, tend to have decreased availability of nutrients like iron, zinc, and manganese, but increased availability of calcium and magnesium. 2. Toxicity. Extreme pH levels can lead to nutrient toxicity. For instance, very acidic soils can release toxic amounts of aluminum and manganese, while highly alkaline soils can lead to excessive accumulation of sodium and bicarbonates. 3. Microbial activity. Soil pH influences the activity of soil microorganisms, which play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and decomposition of organic matter. Microbial activity can impact plant health and soil structure. 4. Plant growth and development. Different plants have varying preferences. Some plants, like blueberries and azaleas, thrive in acidic soils, while others, like asparagus and cabbage, prefer slightly alkaline conditions. Plant growth, flowering, and overall health can be compromised if pH is not within the suitable range for the specific plant. Measuring soil pH. You can measure soil pH in a soil testing kit. It's important to test the pH of your soil periodically, especially when introducing new plants to your garden. Adjusting soil. 1. Acidifying soil. To lower pH, make soil more acidic. You can add materials like sulfur, iron sulfate, or organic matter like peat moss. Be cautious when using sulfur. Excessive use can lead to soil imbalances. 2. Alkalizing soil. To raise pH, make soil more alkaline. You can add materials like lime, calcium carbonate, or wood ash. Adjust the amount of lime based on the current pH and the target pH. General tips. Regularly amend your soil with organic matter like compost, as it can help buffer pH changes and improve overall soil structure and fertility. Be gradual in making pH adjustments, as sudden and drastic changes can stress plants. Different plants have different preferences, so research the pH requirements of the plants you're growing to provide optimal conditions. In conclusion, understanding soil pH is essential for promoting healthy plant growth and ensuring that nutrients are available for uptake. Monitoring and adjusting soil pH based on your plant's needs can contribute to a thriving garden or landscape.